Numerous people ask themselves what can they do to clean their arteries without surgery, or which foods are good for the heart. First of all, stop doing the things that gave you atherosclerosis in the first place. In other words, your arteries didn't become clogged just by luck or chance, and hopefully, you are already aware of this. In fact, they become clogged through a series of choices. These choices include bad lifestyle habits such as poor diet that include frequent consumption of fatty foods and foods high in sugar, avoiding fresh and natural foods, and reduced physical and mental activity. In this video, we will reveal the recipe of a traditional German remedy which has been used to treat numerous various diseases including infections, fatigue, influenza, common cold, high cholesterol, high triglycerides, and improve your immune system. It is also extremely beneficial in the case of vascular congestion and kidney stones. The preparation of this remedy is extremely simple and it's also very economic. Ingredients: 4 organic lemons, 2 tablespoons organic ginger root powder, 4 organic garlic cloves, 2 liters purified water. Instructions: First, you need to wash and clean the lemons well and then cut them in slices. Peel the garlic, and put it in a blender, together with the lemons and the ginger. Blend until you get a homogeneous mixture. If you do not like the taste, add some honey to sweeten it. Then, add the mixture in a pan with water and boil it, while stirring frequently. As soon as it boils, take it off heat and leave it to cool. Then, strain and store it in a jar or a bottle. How to use: In the beginning, you should take a smaller dose, 2 to 3 tablespoons before every meal. If there isn't discomfort, you should slowly increase the dose. The maximum dose of this remedy is 50 milliliters before every meal. You can take the remedy for a period not longer than 40 days. If you don't like the flavor, you can always add a little bit of organic honey to sweeten it. The results will appear very soon, even in the first 3 weeks of use. You will feel more energetic and your general health will be improved. This mixture has powerful cardiotonic activity. It delivers the healing power of the garlic, ginger, and lemon. Garlic can improve the function of the heart. It can reduce the concentration of the bad, LDL, cholesterol and increases the good, HDL, cholesterol concentration. On the other side, lemon has an alkaline effects upon the body. Lemon with its alkalizing effects can reduce the levels of cardiac inflammation, which is a risk factor for heart diseases. Antioxidants from lemon protect the heart against oxidative stress. Ginger also helps reduce bad cholesterol levels and prevents the formation of blood clots, especially when combined with other superfoods like garlic. Today, heart disease is a #1 killer in America. The good news is that with making some changes in your lifestyle, including eating fresh and natural foods, increased physical and mental activity, combined with consuming this simple remedy, could reduce the chances of developing heart disease and you will unclog your arteries naturally.